welcome back to Smart Art Class. Today's painting is for my little friends and beginners. It is titled The Tree of Magic. Let's get going. Pick a medium-sized flat brush and use black color to paint the outer circle. Don't worry a lot about the strokes, just keep it simple, crisscross and keep painting in concentric circles. Switch to blue color once you're done with black. After blue color, paint another circle in crisscross stroke using pink, then yellow and last one with white. Voila! Our background is now ready and it looks like this. We'll now paint tree trunk in black color using a thin round brush. Follow the instructions in video and move your hands gently and carefully. If kids are not comfortable using brush directly, you can first use a pencil to sketch and then use paint over it. We'll now put few shades of background colors on our boring black tree trunk. It looks nice. Since we've painted the tree in middle, we have to now make it look as if it's thrown in a hillock. For that, we'll paint the base of the hillocks in dark blue color. Once complete, use pink and white color using a thin round brush to paint grass blades. If you're facing any difficulty to paint those perfect grass blades, do watch my video in the description below. We'll now paint the tree branches in 3 different layers. This technique of painting in multiple layers gives depth to the object. The bottommost layer will be darkest color, followed by the lighter shades. Blue color goes for the base. use a small round size brush and stamp multiple times in small strokes. It is called as stippling and is often used to paint trees and bushes. Add tiny little snowflakes on top of the branches to give a magical feeling to this colorful tree. Complete the painting by adding missing branches to connect the bushes. So with this, your magic tree is ready. Isn't it very colorful and magical? If this is your first visit to my channel, please do subscribe as we post amazing videos on DIY paintings.